guys, welcome to our channel, and today we're at Hemsby. Didn't bring our little camper van today, so we're just in a place called Hemsby. We're in a road. It's a bit small for parking, but we found somewhere to park. We've got a little cottage that's it just there with the light on, and there's a little alleyway. So I'll show you around a bit. Let's see, like a little alleyway. I'll show you the road actually. I'll show you where this road. There's a nice little van over there. Same as mine, same as that one, but different year. So there's a road. I come up, and there, see it there. Little tiny road. So I managed to go to the end of this road and park. Really easy to park anyway at the end. It's just when you're unloading. So this is our little cottage called Eldersley. It's absolutely fabulous, really beautiful and clean, and the lady who's done it has done it on an absolutely beautiful little website as well, so you know where everything is. There's loads of information that she's given you. Absolutely beautiful. So let's show you in. Let's show you where we're staying. You get a key box, key code number and everything. It's got Wi-Fi. It's got Wi-Fi, and I hope she's not singing in there. So yeah, this is the kitchen area, and very clean, beautiful. Got a little radio over here. Yep, beautiful house, beautiful cottage. Recommend if you can handle the stairs. The stairs are the only thing that some people, if you're older or problems with your joints or anything like that, might have a problem. That step's a doze. I stripped on that step, but if you can do that, beautiful place, beautiful. So in the bathroom, beautiful bath, clean, lovely, well done, really well made out, you know. Look at the bath. Should be using that. Sprays going and everything and that. Radiators. I love the doors. I really like the doors. Beautiful. They're like exterior door type looking. Really cool. I like them. I love them. So yeah, it's really good. I won't show you around the back because it's a bit windy out the back there, so I haven't decided which keys which yet. So matching oven and microwave and fridge freezer's good. To be honest, that's not my sweeties. They're not mine. They're all hers. Yeah, and so the lady's very kind, very lovely. Melanie, her name, very lovely. She gave me a lot of information. We're at the living room. We've got TV and everything. It's got a Wi-Fi. It's got Wi-Fi, its own personal Wi-Fi in here that she gives you the code to. So that's great. I don't know what channels are on TV. I'm not sure. Doesn't like there's any Sky or anything there, but like, hey, you're on holiday. She gives you all the keys to the garden, so you can use the garden. I don't know if you can see much outside there. It's a bit dark now, but I haven't got a key to that at the moment. It's just a shed, about 30-foot garden, 20-foot garden, 25-foot garden, patio, some patio furniture you can use. Very clean, very well looked after, very well maintained. Beautiful little flowers in the garden, little pansies and whatever. So let's take you upstairs, show you upstairs. 2 bedrooms upstairs, and this place, it's called Eldersley. It's just a little way from Hemsby Beach, and we've just been into the pub down there. We've had a meal down the pub there. Lankan Arms, I think it's called Lankan Arms. Lovely staff. They're getting plagued by a few flies at the moment though because of the beach and stuff, so beware of that. Yeah, like I said, the stairs are a bit of a pig, but we kind of can do it. And let's take you into this. We'll take you into the little bedroom first, because there's someone in that one. I pointed out with your sweeties downstairs. They're all yours, and not mine. They're yours.
chocolate's all yours.
Get out of it, it's not mine.
And fresh cream cake.
So yeah, we've got a lovely. What do you think of this place? Come on.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
It's lovely. It's just the stairs, isn't
It's
it?
the stairs, but we booked this before I had my bad legs.
Yeah.
Before we moved everything all around, didn't we? Unfortunately.
Yeah. So.
But it's gorgeous.
It is gorgeous, isn't it?
I can't wait to get that tub.
Yeah.
Did you do the tub?
I done the tub. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, and we've got like this very clean, very beautiful, nice radiators. The radiators are all been put on, ready for us as well, so they're nice and warm. That we can't go into this storage, obviously, in that. That's not ours. All right. I don't know how clear this is coming out on my GoPro. It's a bit dark. There must be. Oh yeah, there is. Light switch. Doesn't do a great deal more. This is the master bedroom. So we've just pulled our stuff down there at the moment. But look at this. How gorgeous is this? Nice clean bed. And I love that headboard. I want that headboard. How beautiful. Oh, it's the whole bed. It's really cool. That's lovely. I love that. Yeah. Got nice clear skies out there. We've been very lucky. It's a bit windy today, but it's not really been raining. No, we had a good travel up from London, from Orpington, in just outside London. Yeah, so that's it. This is our place. This is what we're staying for a few days. We're going to do a bit of metal detecting, and we've just been up. I don't know if I've put this video up yet. This one first, but we did a video of Horsey Gap where we saw all the seals and stuff. So yeah, the seals, you can't go on the beach. You're not supposed to go on the beach. There was people doing it, obviously can't read or whatever it is, but yeah, they're, you know, so the conservation people, the people in charge, had to go and get them and tell them to get off the beach. I don't know if it's because the seals are dangerous, but I don't think, you know, I think it does distress them, the seals out, because like they've got having their babies right now, aren't they? So yeah, so we went down there. We've taken some video. I've taken some, Val's taken some, so we'll mix a bit together and chuck a video up of that as well. So come and see them there. That's great. You can fire, have we? Oh, yeah.
You'll have to get on that.
I'll have to do that bit, will I? Okay, well, I'll figure that out in a little while. I'll just finish this. So that's it. So, yep. So we'll probably... I'll try and do them in order. So we will post some videos. We've not done any metal detecting yet. We've never done a Hemsby, so we will do it. I'm planning on getting up early in the morning so we don't annoy anybody. And yeah, come with us tomorrow. I'll get you up early in the morning. I'll wake you up early, okay, guys? All right, babe? Set the alarm for these guys.
I'll set it.
Yeah, because they'll be wake them up.
I'll do my cock-a-doodle-doo.
Right, yeah, we'll take them down the beach with us, shall we?
Yes.
And we can show them the beach.
Come along.
Come along with us, yeah. Not in this weather.
Anything you find is valuable is mine.
Yes, you always find more than me. So, yeah, if you like it, like and subscribe if you like. I don't care. Do what you like. Just enjoy the video, basically. We're not pushy and all that stuff. We just do it for ourselves, basically. So yeah, just have fun, and hopefully watch the next one. You'll catch you later. It's one of these buttons on here. I can't find the button.
I went round and did all the video and then realised I hadn't even pressed start.
That's not the one. I'm still pressing buttons.
Still pressing buttons.
It's because I have my new camera and now I can't remember how to stop. Right, stop. So we're on Scrappy Beach now. So we tried Chroma, was no good, and Hemsby. I had one signal down the bottom down there, and it was a piece of aluminium. The wife's up over there. I don't know what she's found anything. So I've just found a target down here. So Let's see if I can get it to come and show you. I think it's quite deep, it's a little island. $22, $21. But it jumps a bit, so let's give it a go anyway. So dug that out. I've just dropped it. And that to be a bit of nothingness. And now I've lost it. Can't find it now. Oh, got it. So there it was, but just a piece of nothingness. Oh well, let's crack on and do another one.